So if today is your first time on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to Imitate. So today I'm going to talk about a young, talented Ghanaian boy from Kumasi. So the boy's dream is to be in the Guinness Books of Record and also go to American Got Talent, imitate any sound of an animal. He was discovered in an interview with our own big brother, Wadamaya. So the boy can imitate any sound of an animal. We talk about cat, dog, monkey, zebra, crocodile, any animal that can. He can even imitate the sound of a human being, like a pregnant wife or a cheating girlfriend or boyfriend. He can imitate the sound of that person. So if today is your first time on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to join the family, huge family. This is a very big family, so don't forget to subscribe. So let's watch the video.
I met this young man here in Kumasi, and he told me that he can imitate every sound of an animal in this world. And I don't think it's true. Really? So I want to bring him in here. Whatever animal that you know, just name it. And let's see whether he can imitate the sound for us. Okay. Are you ready for them?
Oh yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you ready for us? He's asking, are you ready? Are you ready for us?
Okay, now let's go for frog.
Okay.
Frog.
Let's go for a punching. Goat. Let's go for one sunny. Bulldog.
Monkey.
Yeah. Rat. Okay, cat.
Cow.
Lizard.
Benchem.
Crocodile. Chicken.
Sheep.
Meh.
Can you guys believe it?
Yes.
Okay, I have a surprise for him.
It's
I want him to give me a son of a pregnant woman.
Are you crazy?
Elephant.
Yeah. Elephant.
Cheated wife.
Pig. Bird.
Cock.
Wonderful.
The son of a dolphin.
Okay, dolphin.
A dolphin?
Cheated wife. That was the funniest thing of my
Wow. No, bro, like, come closer. How long did it take you to learn all this?
Okay, I learned it when I was maybe 10 years. Yeah.
10 years.
Yeah, I started learning from 10 years.
10 years.
Yeah.
So which means you were 10 years old.
Yeah.
What inspired you? I didn't know all count. I would say
okay. Me share Guinness Book of Record. And American Got Talent. Okay. So anytime I should be motivating me, say me reach that level.
Reach that level. Until main goal, I would say, we didn't buy Guinness Book of Record. This is a Bobia we are able to
oh yeah we not bon kwa dem is
meaning that like a Bobia is definitely one of Mujina Manka. But it opens out what they call more
snake.
Yeah.
Hey, the snake they over some Janiana.
Sakrama ye dia babona.
Okay.
Kroko. Son of a mouse. The cricket. I want to surprise you. Some man a boy used to friends say, "Ebu bro."
Okay.
Yeah. Say, on say once and you can see me. Yeah. Mosquito king.
And now I just slap you right. Slap you. I hate mosquitoes, man. I hate mosquitoes, but hey, you know what? This is unbelievable. Like I think I've met one person who can do this, and this needs to be shared. I mean, can you just help him because he wants to reach Guinness Book of Record? Your name has to be there, yeah. So what do you want them to do? Hope somewhere them out.
But me here will be am cause subscribe channel now and share.
Yeah. So like, please help us share this video. Do you have Facebook?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna put his Facebook account in there so that if you wanna reach out to him directly. If you really wanna help him get to where he wants to be, please do so. I mean, I'm gonna put all the information that you need to reach out to him. So, boy, Mr. Ghana, baby, still here in Kumasi, and yeah, I think I can cry like a bulldog.